Hello, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the health benefits of chicory coffee for psoriasis. Now I'm just going to demonstrate a sample which I got from a company called Avogel. It's called Bamboo, and here is their leaflet. It says, for coffee lovers, this is the alternative to having your caffeine, and it's made from chicory. It's chicory root, bit of cereals, malted barley, and 20% fruits from figs and acorns, and they're all organic as well. A well-known company called Avogel. By the way, I'm actually not being paid to promote their products. However, it's a very good company which we have personally used and recommend as well. So I'm gonna mix this as instructed with a bit of whole goat's milk from a company called St. Helens Farm as well. Again, another company which we personally use. We're not being paid for promoting the products, but their products are excellent, which is why we are sharing this in our video. So I've just got a little bit of warm milk. Don't know whether you can see the steam still coming out. Not boiling, but just warm hot milk. That's my name, by the way, wonderful wife. Okay, and I'm gonna add this powder, chicory powder, to it. Now, if you've got psoriasis, chicory is actually a herb which is anti-inflammatory, so that is going to be very good for you. I'm just gonna get a scissors to actually cut this sachet open. So that's the sachet open now. I'm just gonna pour in the contents. You can see it's brownish. Make sure everything goes in there. Give a little final tap, and you can see it's quite dark brown, a bit like coffee. I'm just gonna stir it and try it. It should have a little bit of sweetness from the figs, and there it goes. It looks, you can actually also add it to hot water as they recommended. They did say hot water. Here's a leaflet, let me just read it. It says, add it to, it says bamboo, Avogel bamboo is a light hot drink with a beautiful color and a good soft coffee-like taste. Convenient for the whole family at any time of the day. It's a caffeine-free plant-based ingredient. And it says, simply add the contents of the sachet, 2 grams, to a cup of hot water, milk or milk substitute, and stir well. So you can just read the ingredients here as well. And also here, this is what their little leaflet looks like. So I'm gonna give it a little taste now. Should have cooled down slightly. I'm just gonna see how it goes. Yes, I can certainly taste the coffee similarity taste. It's really nice, natural. Certainly does taste similar to coffee, and you can actually get a nice hot drink on a fairly cool day, or a day where you want to actually be lifted up as well. So as mentioned, the chicory herb, I'm just going to read out to you. It says it's a perennial herb with bright blue flowers that is native to the old world, and it's used as coffee substitute or additive, and it's a key ingredient in New Orleans style coffee. So those of you who are coffee drinkers, probably you know, I'm actually not really a coffee drinker. And as I explained in the previous video, I'm someone who actually can drink coffee, caffeine, and still go to sleep if I'm really, really tired. So chicory, as I mentioned, is anti-inflammatory. So if you're having psoriasis or any skin issues, or even you just want to keep healthy, it's good as a liver cleanser as well. So that will really help with your psoriasis. So I hope you found this video useful. Give me a thumbs up and enjoy the chicory coffee. There you go. Bye-bye.